the whistle tone when you hit that, Joey, I don't know if you've seen him, he leant over past the pillar then, he was like, "Are you ready? I was like, "Yeah, love, I'm ready." And you did not disappoint, it was absolutely brilliant. And I think the more you concentrate on that whistle tone, because not everyone has it, so that's a really unique trait that you can work on. You could get that higher, more controlled, everything, but it was absolutely brilliant. And also, better mic control in that one. Well done for listening. But yeah, I thought it was a brilliant performance. Well done.
Thanks, Flo. Yeah. Do you know what? I think that one, I think you nailed this one even better than you did the last one. A little bit of a backstory. I remember when Katie came over the studio with this one, way back when, and we were literally in the studio for so long because we were like, you were like, "I don't like how I'm doing it, I don't like how I'm doing it." So I was like, try this, and you were like, "No, I'm going to do this." I was like, "Right, okay," and I trust you, and you trusted yourself, and you nailed it, and it came a lot easier to this time, and it, to this day, still is one of my favourites of yours, if not the favourite. And it still gives me goosebumps every single time you go right to the point where you go like right up there, and you played a little more on that one. You really give it your all. I know I saw as soon as you finished, you're like, whew, you really went for it there, and it paid off. Well done.
Thanks, Kelly. It was such a top class performance. People would pay money to see people perform like that. That's where that standard was. You've added so much more into it since you sang it the last time, and your confidence with it, the way that you performed it was just, you made it look effortless. You were really in the moment. I was really captivating to watch you. You added more riffs, you had so much more control when you were going into your low register. Your riffs were more controlled. I like the way that you sort of thin, I don't know how to put the technical word for it, but you thin notes out in certain phrases at the end. And you did that a lot in your first song as well, and I think that's very unique to you, and that it gives it that little bit of edge and makes it your song, if that makes sense. But I love your version. It gave me goosebumps because the amount of energy that was just like emanating off you whilst you were singing. You were in the zone. I think we were all in the zone with you, and you owned it. It was just, oh my God, you should be so incredibly proud of what you've achieved in such a short time. That was fantastic.
Thanks, Joey.
Yeah, I mean, Katie, I think this is going to be a very special moment that I'll always remember from this season of Talent Search Cymru. And when I think of this season of Talent Search Cymru, this moment always comes up in my head, because it was that moment where you achieved something new that you didn't even know existed. And that day when you did that in the studio, you looked a bit shocked. You said, it was like, whoa, how did I do that? How did I got there? And since then, it developed, and the way you controlled it then, again, like when we pick these songs of the series, we don't just pick them because they're your best songs that we feel. We pick it because we want to see if you can bring it even more, you know, by listening to it again. And you've definitely achieved that tonight. This was even better than the first time round. The way you perform on stage, you was proper in the zone then. And I do, honestly, like I said, this is your last performance for tonight, and Ellie could do no last one now. But I do hope that you continue this after this, the both of you and Katie, because you're all exceptional talent, and you've got so much room in this industry to grow, and lots of opportunities ahead. And I got no doubt you're all going to grab them. But honestly, what a journey you've been on, and honestly, I can't be prouder, and I know the family's proud. I am overwhelmed with how far you've come, and that is your ultimate moment today. That was the moment I was like, there she is, she's arrived. Imaging you on that first day we saw you there, and to see you there at the end like that, wow. Wow's not even big enough, honestly. What an achievement. Well done, Katie.
Thanks,